Greetings everyone, this is Braden from Campus Safety at Chabot College. I'm coming to you with a video guide on how to sign up for a parking permit in our new parking system. Before we get started, I'd just like to congratulate and thank any of our new students. Welcome to the Gladiator family. I'd also like to extend a thank you to any returning students. As you can see, our college has stepped into the 21st century. We have gotten rid of physical permits and have moved to a digital permit system where your vehicle's license plate will now be your permit. This is going to help save money. It is making the college more accessible, and we're also minimizing our carbon footprint and waste. So once you get to our college portal site, which will be found during your registration process and as well on our college website, you'll need to go down over here to view permits. You're going to see that once you click permits, there are several options. And as a student, the two that you will need to be concerned about is either a daily permit, which you can purchase online through this portal, as well through our daily permit dispensers that are located in the various parking lots. If you like a semester permit, however, you'll go down to the location wherever the current semester is. This video was made in the summer of 2022, in case you're watching it later, which is the current semester that we'll be using. From here, you will take your mouse down to the Register button. So we'll click right here. This is probably going to be the most important portion or step of obtaining a parking permit process, which is choosing whether or not you're going to create an account for this system. We cannot require that you create an account to obtain a permit, and in which case, if you do not want to create an account, you'll continue as guest. I will notify you, though, that if you continue as guest, any information you would like to change after the fact, such as your address or the vehicles you're driving, will have to be done through Campus Safety. Otherwise, my suggestion is you create an account. Do note that your zone mail through Chabot is not your login, or it's not a default yet. You can make it your login by clicking here and creating an account. It's fairly simple. You'll just have to enter your first name, last name, your email, and create a password. Once you have entered this information, you'll create an account and receive a verification email. I'm going to log into an account that we have created for this video, so we will be back in just a second. Please be patient. Welcome back. As you can see, I've now logged in. In the upper right-hand corner, it displays my name, and this is where you can access your account information. The options under this are your tickets, your permits, and manage account. We'll click on manage account, and as you can see, this is the information that I've entered so far. I haven't added any vehicles, addresses, or payment methods, but just know that any information that you add here can be auto-filled for any future transactions. I'll show you that this account does not have a permit yet, and now I will show you how to sign up for a permit. So we're going to click on View Permits again and go down and register. If you did not create a login, you can continue as guest if you would like, and if you continued as guest, you'll come to this site or this page, and if you have a login and you've logged in, you'll see that your name's in the upper right hand corner and you'll come to this page as well. You'll be greeted with our terms and conditions of parking here at Chabot College. Please take your time to read these as you are responsible and required to know. As you come down, you're going to see several fill in the blanks, which all need to be filled in. What I've already signed up with is my name and my email. So I need to add in a phone number, and the ID number is going to be your W number. From here, you'll need to fill in your address. We are going to use the school's address for demonstration purposes. After all of this is filled in, you'll be able to add vehicles to the permit. Now, this is a very important portion of the permit process for students. Each student permit is allotted 2 vehicles at the beginning of the registration process. Those 2 vehicles will not be able to be changed by yourself. If you would like to change, either add or edit the vehicle information after you've registered for your permit, you will have to go through campus safety. This is designed to prevent the sharing of permits between students. For here, we're going to create a fake vehicle, and you will need to enter in the license plate number, followed by the license plate state, make, model, color, and type. We're going to add that vehicle. As you can see, it is now popping up under vehicles, and there is a little pencil here where you can edit it if you need to change anything. As I stated, each student permit receives 2 vehicles you can associate with your permit. So we are going to create a secondary vehicle. Same information is going to be required. And now you'll see that the button for adding vehicles has disappeared. Prior to completing this, if you would like to either edit, you can still click here, or you can remove by clicking here. Once all of this information has been entered, you will be able to purchase your permit. One of the first things you'll need to do is click that you have read, accepted, and are responsible for the terms and conditions. Next, you'll need to choose whether or not you would like to purchase this permit online or in person. If you would like to purchase online, you'll click here, and you'll have to fill in your own personal credit card information as well as the billing information. If you'd like to purchase in person, you'll need to click in person, and you'll notice that it no longer allows you to purchase the permit. The reason behind this is you will need to respond to the bookstore on campus and tell them that you need to purchase or pay for your permit. From there, you'll be able to use whatever funds you would like at the bookstore. Once you receive a receipt from the bookstore, you will have to walk over to campus safety located in building 200 to show proof of purchase. The reason why that is because once you click register for permit and you choose to pay in person, your permit is going to go into a queue. As you can see, you have applied for this permit. You'll get a confirmation email. And now what I'm going to do is go on the back side and approve the permit that we had just applied for, and I'll show you what it looks like after the fact. Okay, so I've gone ahead as an administrator, approved the permit that we were just going through activating. So I'm going to go up here and show you what that looks like now. So we'll go to Manage Account. As you can see, the vehicles that I have registered, it shows you that there is an active permit associated with them. It shows my address. I didn't enter a payment method because for us to approve this, I put it as in cash. But now we're going to go up to View Permits. And as you can see, it comes up with my permit number and that it's a student, has my name, the phone number, the address I've entered, and my 2 vehicles. As you can see, you cannot edit them over here on the sides. If you do need to edit the vehicles, if, for example, you're sold one or it's in the shop or you needed to borrow somebody's vehicle, I'd have to go to campus safety. It gives me my payment history, the date, today's date, and how I've done that. And that's pretty much going to be it. That's how simple it is. If you do want to add in or change vehicles for future, I can edit this, but it's not going to change it on the permit. As you can see, once I did that, it now says no active permits. Even if I tried to change it back, it's still going to say no active permits. You will have to change it, and as you can see, it remained on the permit side the same. So if you do run into any problems or any questions or any issues, please feel free to reach out to Campus Safety located in Building 200. There is also the permit parking information email list that you can ask any questions through there. I hope this process was easy. I hope this video made sense for you. As you can see, this should be an easy process to do, even if you come and you can register for another one if you'd like. And when you come down, I can choose addresses, I can add vehicles, and I can choose from my vehicles. So in the future, that's all you got to do. And now I can pay online. I've read. And when I click purchase permit, oh, I still need to enter in my information here. Purchase permit, and now I clicked online. You can see that you pay with a credit card. Click continue, and now I'll show you how to pay with a credit card. So that's how you sign up for a parking permit from this point forward. Good luck in your education, and thank you again for attending Chabot College. You have a good day.